Hello guys, welcome you in Unboxing House and today we will talk about Corona came out to the market from Wuhan, China. Before starting it, please watch this full video and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit on like button. So Corona came out of the market of Wuhan, China. When it was moving into new areas, what was the World Health Organization? What it was doing? It is difficult to believe that despite strong monitoring of the World Health Organization, Corona has spread to every corner of the world. After US President Donald Trump announcement of the World Health Organization to stop the fund, the discussion has gained momentum whether there is any negligence on the WHO. However, President Trump and other presidents of other nations have been questioning the functions of the United Nations and its agencies in the past. This time this matter is more serious because this matter is not about any one incident but of being engulfed in the historical crisis of the whole world. The scope of the crisis is so largest that economists, sociologists and knowing the health matters have not been able to predict its impact right away. The role of the World Health Organization in the world is not related to any doctor or any disease or its treatment. These organizations which monitor the need of public health at the international level actually contribute to identifying the risk, identifying the disease, preventing its spread and how to fight it. This time WHO is accused of not fulfilling its responsibilities properly in all these roles. When the initial news about the coronavirus came, even before research and firm information came, WHO said that this disease did not spread from person to person. People got relieved and the disease got a chance to reach as much as possible. This was WHO's first mistake. A responsible international organization is not expected to be wrong about a disease information. It is possible that till that time the WHO did not know about it himself. But there was no need for such statement at that time. When the virus spread rapidly in Wuhan, many countries banned travel to China. This is when more than 200 people died in China. WHO opposed the travel ban and advocated keeping the border open. The borders remained open in European countries and the virus got a chance to reach a new place. With the condition deteriorating in Italy, it spread to many countries of Europe. Even in America, this virus has stepped in at a time when US President Donald Trump announced a travel ban in China. The WHO's chief strongly opposed it. This was probably WHO's second mistake. After the illness increased, the people of Hubei province of China stopped going out of home and stayed. But by then it was late. All this was happening when the WHO team and the head of the organization, Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus itself, had been visited China. With the outbreak of the virus, questions arose as to how to deal with this disease of China and give information about it. After all, China had tortured the doctor who first gave information about this virus, and WHO himself later became the seeker of this virus. For a long time, China did not give any information about this virus to the world. Surprisingly, the chief of the WHO blamed China's attitude and said that he is facing the virus effectively. The question arose that when the virus originated in China, is making the whole world infuriated. Then who was so hasty in giving clean chit to it, and who proved to be the third mistake? This is perhaps the first time that the country which have followed the guidelines of WHO managed to overcome the spread of corona. India and Japan were strong examples of this. To some extent, the name of Singapore is also in this link. WHO launched an epidemic for corona's public health on 11th March. However, long before this, India started a strict investigation at the airport and stopped the planes and front movement from the affected areas. Before this, Indian citizens were removed from there. It is feared that if the instructions of WHO were to run India also, the color of the picture might have been different. Despite the strict criticism of the US and the fund being stopped, the WHO presence in this phase of the epidemic cannot be denied. German Chancellor Angela Merkel and France's President Emmanuel Macron have supported the World Health Organization. He says that he will have to play a major role in the settlement of corona. Due to corona, how much changes will be made in the world economy, politics and social structure, it is being speculated at the moment. The question arising on WHO and such organization will probably write a new building in the coming years about the world and international relations.